No, that wasn't 31, you were born in 33.
41. November 11th.
November 11th,
We're going
19.
outside.
Walked to school.
Right over
Oh,
here.
walking to school. It was snowing
He
so
walked
hard.
to school, he lived right over here in this field, about a mile over. Okay.
Ooh,
Walked through the
it's
woods.
ringing out.
Stopped at great uncle's.
Which is right by the cemetery.
Whose story is it?
No,
just kidding.
I've heard it so many times. Okay, Dave.
No, Dave's story.
Okay, Dave. I wasn't there, was I?
Walked to
I was
school.
4 years old.
Okay, come on now, it's Dave's story.
But it took us quite a while to walk because we got lost. It was snowing so hard that you couldn't see. We walked across this open field and then we walked around in circles. Just walking, and we got to school. We finally got to school late because we hit a fence line and we walked the fence line.
It's too dark. I'm gonna.
And
Sam's gotta go to sleep.
we got to school and it kept snowing and snowing and it got windy and cold. And it got down to about 13 below zero, but we had 70-mile-an-hour winds.
Oh, that's.
Went to the bathroom at school, outdoor bathroom.
And the
Closed
feet
the door,
froze
got
on the way
locked
down.
in there. I was in first grade.
There's a snow drift.
Got locked in there and I didn't know. Finally, someone came out. They missed me inside and come and got me. It was cold, especially when we were trying to go to the sitting.
And then, at the end of the day,
We stayed there because we couldn't go home, and finally the neighbors came with blankets, and we walked behind blankets because the wind was so strong. We had to walk behind blankets because you couldn't face the wind; it was too cold. You would close your face and be there. And we stayed overnight. The next day, finally got stuck with the horses several times. The banks. I think we had about 30 inches of snow, but the banks were piled up.
I remember when we had the big snowfall this last year, and they listed the big famous blizzards in Minnesota. That Armistice Day one was one.
1940, that's right.
Yeah.
That's 52 years ago.
41.
Between that one and this lot of snow we have now is that time, this, it got so cold,
Yeah.
and such strong winds.
Right, well,